and welcome to this Radan technical video. This tech video reviews how to access and use the Radan eSupport community website. The eSupport community site is accessible from the Vero customer support portal. Access to the eSupport community website is available through the Customer Community Forums button. The first time you select that button, a login and password will be generated that is the same as your customer portal login. That button takes you to the eSupport landing page, providing buttons reflecting the Vero products your company is licensed for. Selecting the Radan button takes you to the Radan eSupport community homepage. The Radan homepage displays a row of pics that organize the eSupport site that we will review in this video. Along the right side of the homepage are some quick links to other Radan site locations, an option to create a support case, special communities, and social media links, and an option to set your preferences for email frequency, along with the rules of this e-community site. In the main window are the most recent forum discussions on the eSupport site, and the remainder of the homepage is the latest news from Radan and Vero software. Clicking the Forums category takes you to a list of forums within the Radan eSupport community, where you can exchange information with other members of the global Radan community. The note at the top of the list is to inform all that these forums are not meant to replace the support center. Specific support issues still require you to log a support case in the customer portal with your reseller or with the support center. However, general questions or discussions on these topics are welcome in the eSupport community. The Automation Forum is where you can ask about and discuss options for automation development, such as automating standard Radan tasks or integration with MRP systems. There is a forum on tips and tricks across any of the Radan brand of solutions. E2I is the Radan solution for process management of sheet metal environments, and this forum is where discussion on E2I topics takes place. Enhancement Ideas is the forum where you can communicate with the product developers, giving you the ability to suggest new or improved features of Radan products. This forum and others are monitored by our technical staff and developers, so this is an opportunity to communicate directly with the software development team. The Radan CAD/CAM forum is for discussing information related to the Radan CAD/CAM solution. The Radan Community Suggestion Forum is for enhancement requests for this eSupport site. The Radan Sharing, Shop Talk, and Careers Forum is somewhat self-explanatory and can include general topics and discussions related to your use of Radan in your organization. And there are also forums for the Radben and RadQuote products. The Browse Individual Threads provides options for locating discussions based on a variety of search filters. In the top right part of the page is a pick to manage forum email notifications. To subscribe to a forum, select the category title on the main forums page, and then select the Turn Forum Notification On button on the right side of the forum category page. The Wiki page provides access to a real-time searchable database of categorized information and data, including text solutions and video. On the Tags panel is a list of tags tied to related info in the topics throughout the eSupport site. The larger size tag words indicate a greater amount of related content. So as example, if you wanted to go to a list of all tech videos on the site, just pick the Tech Videos tag. You can navigate through the main categories. For example, within the Radan CAD/CAM category, in the Table of Contents list, there are a number of subcategories, each containing info links to specific topics within that category. Here you can see a list of related topics in the nesting subcategory, such as this link to a tech video on nest editing techniques. Or other topics may just require a simple text description or maybe a bit more elaborate and include graphics or data attachments. And for companies interested in developing their own automation, there is helpful info to support that effort, like this post-processor manual. And we will be adding more information to this category moving forward. There is also a search field to find specific topics you're looking for. For example, when update license is entered in the search field, several topics are found, including several posts on managing licenses within the latest release. The search can be applied against other areas of the site, such as the Radan CAD/CAM section or anywhere on the eSupport site, using the buttons just below the search field. The Files category is a repository of uploaded files provided by Radan community members. Files can range from general documentation to macros or utilities to be used within Radan applications, as well as sample data files like parts, tools, custom reports, 3D models, tips, or similar data you can share across the Radan community. The Radan eSupport Ideas page provides a place to suggest or vote on new ideas for Radan software. Use the New Post button to add a new idea to the list. To vote for an existing idea, click the up arrow left of the listed idea. To vote against the idea, pick the down arrow. Along the right side of the page are the rules for voting on existing ideas. The list of ideas can be sorted using the options along the top of the list. Select the button above the Voting on Ideas list to turn on notifications of new ideas. The Radan eSupport Members page lists community members with options to sort and control the member list. Selecting on any member panel provides additional member info. There are a series of icons along the top of the site for easy access to your pending notifications, messages, an option to bookmark a page, and your eSupport community member settings, where you can access and define your profile, adjust your user settings for the site, as well as log out of the site. In the Profile section, you can add or edit your biography and other info such as location, contact info, and interests. The Settings area includes options for defining email settings, location and time settings, activity visibility settings, and sign-in settings. In the Email Digest area, you can set email frequency for any groups you subscribe to. In the Subscriptions area, you can set what applications you want to subscribe or unsubscribe to. And in the Notifications area, you can set notifications for your site subscriptions, your site network, and for your written content on the site. In summary, we've seen that the Radan eSupport community website provides a great opportunity to access and share information with the global Radan community, including other Radan users, Radan tech staff, and development. Thanks for watching this tech video, and stay tuned for more videos from the Radan Resource newsletter, and check out other Radan tech videos in the Vero eSupport community site.